On the grid, draw the graph of x squared plus y squared equals 16. We should recognise the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. If our equation starts x squared plus y squared, therefore we know the centre of the circle is the origin, i.e. 0, 0. I know that r squared is the number on the right-hand side of my equation. In this case, r squared equals 16, r being the radius squared. If the radius squared equals 16, and I want to work out r, the radius, opposite of squared is the square root, and the square root of 16 is simply 4. So if I know my circle has a centre 0, 0, the origin, and it has a radius of 4, so I can open my compass 4 up to 4. It's going to go through 4, 4, negative 4, and negative 4. Getting my compass to draw my circle, and that gets me 2 marks. For part B, we're told, hence, find estimates for the solutions of the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 16 and y minus 2x equals to 1. Well, I've just drawn the graph from part A of x squared plus y squared equals 16. That's what I've just drawn. So all I have to draw is draw the graph, in this case my straight line, y minus 2x equals to 1. Well, I know the equation of a line starts to form y equals mx plus c. As y is very positive on the left-hand side, I'm going to leave the y alone on the left-hand side. I'm going to move the negative 2x across to the right. If a term goes across an equal sign, it changes sign. So if it's minus 2x on the left, as it crosses, it's now going to become positive 2x. So now I have y equals 2x, and I've still got the plus 1. Now I have my equation of a line. I know it has a gradient of 2 and a y-intercept of 1. So one way I can do it is I can plot the y-intercept. The y-intercept in this case is at positive 1. So it crosses the y-axis in this case at positive 1. And it has a gradient of positive 2. What that means is for every 1 squared to the right, it's going to go up 2. For every 1 squared to the right, it's going to go up 2. Alternatively, I could draw a table of values. You only need 2 points to draw a straight line. In this case, x and y. I'm going to choose 3 points, just to make it a bit more obvious so you can see. So I'm going to choose the points 0, 1, 2. Substituting into y equals 2x plus 1. Well, if x is 0, 2x now means 2 times x. So 2 times 0 will be 0, and 0 add 1 gives us 1. If x is 1, well, 2 times 1 will give us 2, and 2 add 1 will give us 3. And if x is 2, 2 times 2 will give us 4, and 4 add 1 gives us 5. Plotting our points, well, 0, 1, along 0 up 1, that's what I already plotted. 1 up 3, along 1 up 3, I already plotted, and 2 up 5, along 2 up 5. Now, getting my ruler, I just join up my points to form my straight line. Hence, estimates for the solutions of the simultaneous equations is when my straight line and my circle intersect. So I can see they intersect here at 1 point, and here another point. Hence, my estimates are reading off my x and reading off my value for y. Hence, one estimate is when x is 1.4, y is 3.7. And my other estimate is when x is negative 2.4, y is negative 3.4.